At the age of 25, life is full of dreams, a successful career, a happy family, a comfortable future. But have you ever wondered what would happen if life takes an unexpected turn? Now, financial planning is not just about saving money, it's about protecting your dreams. Imagine getting life insurance protection during your earning years, and even after your policy ends, continuing to enjoy life cover for the rest of your life. Now that's exactly what LIC Jeevan Anand 715 offers. Let's understand with a simple example. A person aged 25 years chooses LIC Jeevan Anand 715 with sum assured is 5 lakhs, policy term 25 years, and yearly premium is 23,113. So the premium here is paid only for 25 years. From age 25 to age 50, the life insurance protection is not just 5 lakhs, including bonus and benefits. The total life cover can range approximately from 6 lakhs to 14 lakhs during the policy term. This means your family receives strong financial protection during your most important earning years. Now comes the most exciting part. At the end of 25 years, at around 49 to 50, the policy is expected to provide a maturity amount of approximately 13 lakh 12,500. This amount can be used for business or home purchase or child's future or wealth creation. Insurance plans end after maturity, but Jeevan Anand is different. Even after receiving the maturity amount and even after paying no further premiums, the policyholder continues to enjoy life insurance cover of 5 lakhs for life here in this case, depending on the sum assured. Yes, lifelong protection with no additional premium. That is why Jeevan Anand is often called a combination of savings, maturity benefit, and lifetime protection. You receive money at maturity and still keep insurance coverage throughout your life. So, if you are young and looking for a plan that offers both savings and lifelong protection, LIC Jeevan Anand 715 could be worth exploring. To know your personal premium, maturity value, and benefits, contact me today. Don't wait for tomorrow. The best time to secure your future is today.